How to make your TikTok account public. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make our TikTok account public, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, to basically make our TikTok account public is actually quite very simple. If you have a private account on TikTok, open up the TikTok app, then just come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines option from the top right, then go to the option called settings and privacy. From here, what you want to do is simply navigate to the privacy tab, and here you'll find the option called private account. So if you have a private account, your toggle is most likely going to get turned on. So if you want to switch to a public account, just turn off the toggle and then tap on switch, and your account will get switched back to public account. This way you can make your TikTok account public. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.